Come on. Thank you. 씨를 이거 우리 마당에다 떨굴 거야? 짠! 향 없는 건
진짜? 다른 사람은 어떻게 살아? 왜냐면 베이컨이 들어있어.
소세지는 아니었어?
어제 코를 이렇게 어떻게 뜯어져? 슬럼프에다가 주는 나 가방 있는데? 가방 챙겨. 맡길 데가 없는데? 아. 아니 괜찮아 엄마 아니.
I'ma give it to you. It's that smile. Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style. So something must be up keeping you down. You a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to throwing wishes in the wind. My conscience tells me
잘 갔다 와.
이 오빠 이쁘게 나와.
잘 갔다 와. 이렇게 재밌겠다.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name. Generation.
얘들아 하늘 봐.
그러니까 엄마 오늘 기준에 나 아빠 전화줘.
You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you.
왜? 뒤에 파리가 있어? 아 진짜. 이게 뭐야?